THIEAUDIO HYPE for MKII Hybrid IEM Review. 6 drivers of Studiosound that actually stays fun. You're 3 songs into your playlist on the train and you still can't hear the bass line properly because your earbuds sound like someone wrapped the speakers in a wet towel. I sat through an entire album last week thinking a track had no bass guitar until I heard it on proper monitors later that night. That moment stings. Type ME if this feels too real. How long have you been settling? That suffocating feeling of knowing your music is only giving you half the picture quietly kills the joy of listening. You've tried 3 different earbuds this year, and each one traded clarity for bass or detail for comfort, never both. Every compromise stacks into a chaotic mess of wasted money and muted experiences. What if one set of earphones just handled everything without asking you to choose? Stay close. Then I plugged in the THIEAUDIO HYPE for MKII Hybrid in-ear monitor, and the first kick drum hit like a velvet fist to the chest. Don't just pick any hybrid IEM, make sure it has dual dynamic drivers paired with quad balanced armatures in a CNC aluminum shell so you never feel that muddy, lifeless, detail-smothered sound everyone is screaming about ever again. 6 drivers per ear deliver sub-bass that vibrates through your jaw, mid so clear you hear the singer breathing between lines, and treble that sparkles without a single harsh edge. The second-generation Impact 2 subwoofer system shares technology with their flagship Monarch MK4, pushing deep, focused bass while keeping mids completely clean. 4 imported Knowles balanced armature drivers handle the upper frequencies with surgical precision. A music producer I know was mixing at 2 a.m., deadline in 3 hours, nearly missed the low-end masking issue in his track, switched to the Hype 4 MK2, caught it immediately, delivered the final master on time. The modular cable swaps between 3.5mm and 4.4mm balanced in seconds. Here's something most people miss. The 9 decibel subwoofer output cuts sharply at 150 Hz, meaning bass stays precise without bloating into the mid-range. Week 1, you stop reaching for EQ apps because the tuning already sounds right. Week 2, you start hearing layers in familiar songs you genuinely never noticed. Background harmonies, reverb tails, string textures buried beneath the surface. Month 1, mixing decisions translate better to speakers because the studio-neutral response tells you the truth instead of flattering your mistakes. A professional audio reviewer measured the frequency response against Harman targets and called the Hype 4 MK2 one of the best-tuned hybrid IEMs available at its price, punches above its class. A gaming content creator reported that positional accuracy in competitive shooters matched or exceeded dedicated gaming headsets at twice the cost. An industry analyst noted that TI Audio's crossover engineering in the MK2 revision eliminates the coherence issues that plagued many competing hybrids. One everyday user shared that after switching from AirPods to the Hype 4 MK2, they heard instruments in their favorite songs they had genuinely never known existed. I noticed after 3 weeks that listening fatigue completely disappeared. Even during 4-hour sessions, the treble never bites. Which result matters most to you? Comment 1 for detail, 2 for bass impact, 3 for gaming precision. Some worry about whether wired IEMs are inconvenient compared to wireless, but 0 latency, 0 battery anxiety, and dramatically superior sound quality per dollar make the trade-off obvious once you hear the difference. The 6N Ultra OFC copper and silver lit cable feels as premium as it sounds transparent. See why so many audiophiles and musicians quietly switched and never looked back. Come see why so many musicians, gamers, and music lovers quietly switched to the Linsol T-Audio Hype 4 MK2 and never went back. 6 drivers per ear delivering studio-neutral clarity with bass that actually moves you in a CNC aluminum shell built to last years of daily use. The modular cable with 3.5mm and 4.4mm balanced terminations means it works with everything you own right now and everything you'll upgrade to later. Check the affiliate link in the description and pinned comment. Your music has been waiting for you to hear it properly.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.